I'm sure that the state government is fully aware that cattle rearing and dairy farming is one of the economic opportunities to the people, especially in the rural areas. And if the state government is ready to provide support to the farmers, I'm sure the rural economy in the state will thrive. So in the wake of the disease, many farmers are compelled to close down their farm, and as a matter of fact, we know that beef consuming are still depending on outside supplies, and also the milk production is still in deficit. So, sir, may I know that since the farmer is facing acute problem and it has disturbed their business and even dislocated their business. So may I know whether the government is contemplate to provide compensation to the farmers?
The Honorable Speaker, sir, with my reply, I said there's no compensation for the cattle, but the government is working out for all the verification assessment, and that for cattle also the government is going to pay the compensation, sir.
So, sir, am I made to believe that the government is going to compensate the loss of the farmer?
Yes.
And my second question, sir, is that whether the government has verified the cause of this disease, sir, and whether the government at present is readily available with medicine to treat this disease, sir.
Sir, we have the medicines. Also, we have vaccinated also for the cattle, sir.
So I beg to disagree, because as far as the information available with us, sir, is that till today the farmers has not received any medicine to treat for this disease. So may I get a clear statement from the minister?
This is your medicine supplementary question?
No, sir, it relates to the same question, sir. Medicine, sir.
See, the government, sir, the Animal and Husbandry Department, they have 4 hospitals which provided medicines and the vaccinations to all the cattle and to the farmers. And so also we have 125 dispensaries. And
so no, I want exactly the medicine. Is it the medicine readily available for this specific disease? I don't want the minister to explain about the number of veterinary hospitals. I want exactly the medicine, whether the medicine to treat this disease, lumpy skin disease, is readily available at present or not.
Sir, I've already replied that you said that we have already given medicines to all the farmers.
Your last. Next.
No, sir, this is my 3 question only. Sir, coming to the question number 1B, sir, the minister has replied that 16,20,000 compensation was provided to farmers during 2021. So the question that I'm raising is for the current situation, sir, where at present there is a large scale of deaths, of swines across the state. So, and the people, they wonder, because they don't know what is the disease, that their swines are being affected. And once they are affected with this disease, all the swines, they cannot survive and they succumb to the disease, sir. So, any compensation to the current loss of swines by the farmers, sir?
So I've already replied in the question.
Sir, it seems that the minister is not getting what I'm asking. You are replying for 2021. I'm asking for the current, for the present.
That's why I'm saying for current we are also doing the assessment and verifications. We have given 540 compensation to the pigs now already been given.
So, sir, another question. So, whether the government has, carried out an investigation to know the cause of this disease that swine farmers are facing now. because I was told by the people that ever since the government distribute piglets that brought from outside before this 2023 election, that their swine start contracting the disease, sir. So whether that is true or not.
So of course we have to depend from the outside the state for the requirements and the demands of the requirement of the states. That is of course sure, sir, because we are not self-sufficient states. We are trying to be our best to be a self-sufficient states. That's why we have to depend from the outside the states, sir.